Hello kids! Today we are going to learn about matter and states of matter. Kids, matter is anything that has weight and occupies some space. Here you can see some examples of matter, like chocolate, chair, water, and steam. Do you know, matter can exist in different forms or states, depending on temperature, pressure, and other factors. Let's discuss states of matter. The states of matter describe the distinct physical forms that matter can take. Kids, matter exists mostly in three states: solid, liquid, and gas. Solids particles are closely packed in a fixed arrangement. As you can see in this picture, they vibrate but do not move freely. Solids have definite shape and volume. They maintain their shape unless physically altered. Examples of solids are ice, wood, and iron. Kids, liquids particles are close together but not in a fixed position. They can move past each other. They have definite volume but no definite shape. Liquids take the shape of their container. Examples of liquid are water, oil, and mercury. Gas particles are far apart and move freely and rapidly. They have no definite shape or volume. Gases expand to fill the shape and volume of their container. Oxygen, helium, and carbon dioxide are examples of gases. If you liked my video, do give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you soon.